In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account and wait for the dashboard or overview page to fully load. It's a good idea to let everything finish loading before you click around, so all the menus and account settings appear properly. When you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu and click Admin. Inside that section, select Access and Security. This is the area where Google Ads lets you manage who can enter the account and what they're allowed to do. Before adding anyone new, take a moment to review the list of users who already have access. This helps you confirm whether the person has already been added and gives you a quick overview of the current permissions in the account. After that, locate the plus icon or the New User button and click it to begin adding someone new. Wait for the invitation window to appear. In that window, enter the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure you double-check the email for accuracy before moving on, because even a small typo can send the invitation to the wrong place or prevent the user from receiving it. Next, click the Access Level drop-down menu. You'll see several permission options available. Take a moment to review them carefully so you can choose the role that best fits what this person needs to do in the account. If the user needs full access, choose Admin. If they'll be managing campaigns but don't need full administrative control, choose Standard. If they only need to view performance and settings without making changes, choose Read Only. Before you continue, verify that the selected access level matches the user's responsibilities. This is an important step because giving the right level of access helps keep the account organized and secure. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. Then wait a moment while the invitation email is sent. After that, ask the user to open the email and accept the invitation. They'll need to complete that step before access is fully activated. Finally, return to the Access and Security page and confirm that the user's status appears as active. That tells you they've successfully accepted the invitation and now have access to the Google Ads account with the role you assigned. Thanks for watching.